And in terms of the first responders, they're going to need this information at a rapid pace to make accurate decisions for themselves in the field, on the ground. Um, so it's going to be very important that we get things right and ensure that we have to do, like I said before, we have to do the groundwork on the front end to ensure that we're designing the best system.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that you can go back to the statistic where 80% of eyewitness accounts are incorrect. So when you're talking about the psychology of first responders getting there and they're using that data, the data what they're getting is 80% incorrect at times. So it seems like it's a collaboration, but it needs to be done, like you said, ethically. So they need to AI can give the alerts, which is 1 + 1 = 2, and it can give that evidence-based information where it's not emotionally charged.
Yeah,
How do you think society will accept the use of AI being deployed, especially in surveillance cameras, optical sensors, and so forth?
I think I think people will understand. I know ideally it'll the hope is to launch in those major areas. So weapon detection, violent crimes, missing children, things like that nature to build that kind of that trust, quote unquote, with the public to say this system, when properly designed, is very beneficial for the greater good in society. If we even take a deeper look, AI is should be used to make our lives easier. Now, now we get into the thing of invasion of privacy and other things of that nature, which I understand is it's a valid concern for some. But when we look at the risk versus the reward, there's still going to be checks and balances. I think that's the most important part. Every system has its checks and balances. No system is just going to be totally autonomous, especially a system that is learning, that is evolving before our very eyes. So there definitely will be the checks and balances to ensure that nothing ever goes off the rails. But my personal opinion is that psychology, AI, society will all live happily under one roof or one world, similar to every modern marvel from the airplane, self-driving cars, Alexa, all of these systems we have in our homes today. So I think it's just going to take time, and it's going to take some time to build that trust.